How have you done this? Do you know, Sam, that's all hawthorn, but I believe in you. Hold on, I'll make your job easier.
Just that sound.
You know, all of these are just covered in spikes.
You know what the fact of the matter is? He got out of that a lot easier than I would have.
He got out of that quicker than you got out of a whole gaping window. How do you do that then?
Because he's fucking black.
Hang on,
dog, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't matter if I'm racist.
Oh. We'll kiss it best for you.
Oh, is it cut? Here we go.
Oh yeah, I sharpened it for him. Look at this fucking impish Loki-like creature.
Where is the teleporter?
Yeah, this is the other half of Bill's teleporter. This is half...
Terminator!
Yeah, Sam, this is the half of Bill's teleporter he talks about. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, this is his other half, which is why he can't come here. Did you not even read the law? Yeah, we have law. Yeah, he wrote shitloads. He's gonna see this. He's gonna see it before you do. Okay. Fuck off. Hold on. Oh, this is a tyre.
Is that fake?
Yeah, it's dried. It used to be a swamp. Now it's dry, so I guess it's fucking winter. Won't be winter by the time this video goes up, but... No, mate, I just walked through the other side because it was wet. Fuck off. Last thing that made it through was this snail. It still died. Oh, hang on, my autofocus got turned off. There you go. Oh yeah, it's also full of brambles that you can't see. Alright, you better start throwing things, we're all gonna go home.
We stop throwing shit, otherwise everyone's gonna go home.
I like how I can see the path I took and then there's you guys.
That sounds wet, Jack.
How did I make it through then, cunt?
Look at the end of the stick.
I say a swear word every time you ask me a stupid question.
It's wet through! Come back over!
No!
How do we get there without going through?
Oh yeah, the bottoms of my shoes are a bit wet, but I'll tell you what, it's fucking dry, just walk through. Just walk through. How did I make it and you guys don't? I need a light so I can do my shoelace.
Why is there my fire? My fire!
Hey MJ, I found a piece of coal.
Really?
No, you're gonna come in here and get it.
What?
You're gonna come and get it. He's older by 3 days, Sam. Don't listen to him. It took you this long to figure that out? I wanted you to do the interesting thing. I made it.
Ow! Fuck!
Good, because the interesting way is less spiky and painful. Look. Oh, you got a hole. Let's see the other hole. Look at that. No, look on you. Look at that.
Oh my god, no.
Where is the tyre?
Oh, it's fucking in there.
Oh, look at his hair.
I can't see.
Look at this stick.
Oh my god.
My eyes!
Sam, fuck off.
You're telling me you're going back in now?
Yeah, sure, we're fine.
I'll tell you what. If you grab my tyre, I'll pay you money.
How much money?
£5.
Bullshit.
£5.
Why do you want to pay? Who gave you money?
The Lord gives me.
Tell you what, MJ, I'll tell you what you can do, mate.
Go on.
Bring it up to £9 and order us a GP5.
You want the GP5?
I'll send you a link to a £9.
Why are you not so...
I'll give you the £4 for it. That's unfair?
What?
For a GP5.
What do you want a GP5 for?
I want to blow it up. That's unfair? Okay, good, I'm glad. Right, can you just take a moment to look how I'm not sinking into the water? Because there isn't any.
Jack, can you help with that? Have you got the tyre?
What do you need help with?
Have you got the tyre?
No, I haven't.
Holy fucking dear, man.
So I'm Sam, I'm under you. Thanks for collapsing the fence, by the way.
Welcome, Jake.
Fucking nigger.
Yeah, you've actually made it harder for me.
I don't know why this fucking nigger blames me.
You're literally browner than he is, Sam. MJ.
What's the light now? This one's observed the damage to my kit. So, all in all, that's the best.
All in all, it's a good field day.
Wait for all this to blow over. Oh, if only we had like lighter fluid and you can set fire to it.
Yeah, the tyres smell really nice today.
I know, right?
Fucking stop going like this.
Let's go. I'm behind you. You like my
You're like my seeing eye, Turk.
What are you doing?
I can't fucking hold it. It's like you didn't throw your shit because everyone's going to go home. Jack walked out.
Alright now, if you don't stop throwing shit, everyone's gonna go home. Hey, I found out where the water's coming from.
Jump on that.
You.
If you help me back up.
See this fucking plant here? I'm not going anywhere near it.
Oh, fucking hell.
I know, right?
Oh, stay.
That's how I lose an eye.
MJ, I'll give you £5 to jump on that.
Yeah.
No.
Here you go, owe me £5.
That's sturdy anyway, but no.
You'll be fine, because literally it's not even wet down there.
The fact that I had dust in my eye says you're a fucking liar.
Wait, what's dust got to do with water?
Yeah, do you see this bad boy?
Hold the stick.
Behind you.
Hold my
Oh,
stick,
hello.
like an ornament.
Hold on, I need to go this way because the spikes point inward.
Watch your heads. I'm making an ornament.
What are you doing? Why here?
You are an eco-terrorist, do you know that?
Ow!
It just... Look at it. For fuck's sake,
Ow, my shin.
This poor tree, look at that, you tore a branch off, you scum.
every time you miss, I get to hit you. Okay? The more you miss, the more I...
Why is it defocused?
Keep going, Jake.
Ah! Bubbles! Ah!
Go, throw it, MJ, throw it. One more, MJ, one more. Shine the light, it's going down.
Is he going to get his stick back?
Jackie, go down quick, help him.
Look at your stick, MJ, it's down there. I don't know how it fell.
I didn't miss.
Yeah, I mean, technically, you did do a good job.
Good turn, good. For that, we grabbed the nest.
For that, wait. Ah! Let's have a look at your stick.
If it's gettable, you're getting it.
Where even is it?
Just go push it.
You better fucking not. No, mate, that's gone.
You fuck off! I'm going to the top!
I want to throw it off the edge.
Go. Oh my god.
Oh, look at this tree, look at the way it's bending. Right, Sam, let's just go, because otherwise he's going to keep doing it.
No, fuck off! Falling on the tree. Ah!
Ha 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 ha.
Spike in my shoe and it's just gone to a floor.
Ha 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 ha.
Payback from fucking that is.
Yeah, it really is. That really is fucking payback.
Oh my god. Can I just stand on this tie quick? Thank you.
Can you fuck off balancing on me? I'm barely balanced myself. Oh God.
MJ, you absolute cockhead. Ba, 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 da, ba. Done. Hey, what's moving? Don't know we heard those people fucking in this wood. It wasn't really a good time because we were on our way for you to go meet a girl. And then we met her in real life. Remember her?
Fuck off and near my arse.
Give it, Sam. Aww.
Let's go.
Wear it, I dare you.
What are you doing?
Give it. Come on, Majid, you can do it. I believe in you. Sort of.
Go, Muslim, go.
Go Muslim. It's not even gone far because I know where that goes. Yeah, look. It's only gone in the ditch. Here it is. Oh, it rolled away. You landed it on its side and it rolled away.
Exactly, that's what I did.
Ah. There it is.
Oh wow. What's that?
Hey. Hey, Emily.
Oh, I've just got a spike straight in my head.
Same.
Bro, why are these fucking spikes so great?
Sam, you're scum. You.
Ah!
It snapped like it, so I was like,
Oh, look. There was a way around this way.
hey, that's so nice. They can go around there.
Let's go, Sam. Let's go the easy way. Yeah, go on. Get the thingy. You got this. Such a good friend. Ah, he returns. The prodigal son.
Fuck off!
With his mouldy teeth and his barbecue stomach.
What are you doing? Bastard.
Now we have new techniques.
Here we see the majestic dung beetle. You know, I reckon that's your spirit animal, MJ.
Fucking donkey.
No, dung beetle.
Yes, because they can lift 50 times their body weight. In my case, I can fling 50 times my time.
If you're a tire, you'd be tractor.
What?
A A tractor. Oh look, you could have
Attractive.
put your tyre there. No, because you spend all your time alone out in the woods and smell like shit. And doing shit like that. That poor tree. You know, there's been studies that prove that plants can feel pain. Yeah.
Fuck about plants.
Yeah, we don't give a fuck about you. See you later.
Don't give a fuck about me, it's me.
Is that not what we're doing?
Let's go in.
Aren't you glad you fucking invited us?
See you there. I'm just gonna go. Spit on your thing.
Dead memes, bro.
I don't know where I'm going, so I guarantee. Ha! I took you home.
That would be great, but no. Apparently your fucking sense of direction's really bad.
My face is cold.
The exposure.
I didn't even notice the fucking closeness you got there. That's how fucking little I give a shit. I didn't notice you were like this.
I was so close to your face. Until I touched him. Little
How
Muslim.
close to my face exactly?
Hey look, there is a bike competition. Up here on the right. Right, up here on the right, over this mound. Oh, dude, they've actually got a fucking tornado warning where Creston is. He's had to go home. Hey, look. Hey, guess where we're going?
I can't see, Jack.
You will.
Shit.
Would do. To lake.
What the fuck is this?
To lake.
That's alright. And what is this? What is this swimmable?
I've been in it.
You've been in it.
Yeah. Right, for the viewers, this pipe, me and Sam both took a hit off it, where you stick your nose in the hole and fucking breathe in, because it smells of so much fucking sulphur and egg. It's actually fucking vile. I mean, look at the runoff from it. Why is it white? Look at it. This is actually so fucking disgusting.
Still fucking tasty.
I know, it's like, I feel so sick. And MJ's gonna fucking do it as well. I only recorded MJ doing it because I'm a twat. Also, Sam broke the pipe.
Sorry. Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ.
Let's go! Twist his dick!
Sorry.
Twist his dick! Twist his dick! Yo, dick twist!
We're still on the
Check
lake.
me down. He's going. You've got this. Passes the light, or you're you're not gonna be sick on the light, are you?
So, can we pass the light? No.
Just so you don't fucking. Jack, come back here. I need to grab it so I can get on here. Oh, hurry up, MJ. I can smell it from here, mate. You got this. You got this. Let's go, champ.
It's so bad.
Let's go, champ.
It's so bad. Go on, MJ, do it. I believe in you.
Here goes. Here goes. The moment of truth.
That wasn't a proper inhale, MJ.
Enough. You gotta
really, like we did. You gotta do what we did, full on.
Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ.
Let's go, champ. Jack, pat him on the back or something. No, you gotta really snort it. Really snort it. One more for the viewers.
This thing's been pumping stagnant water for decades.
Oh, imagine this shit. I can literally smell it from here. That's fucking bad. I think you got a little bit on your tongue there. MJ,
Do you reckon you're good for a round 3?
it's for the viewers, champ.
Go on, if you vomit, views. Content.
MJ, you gotta drink the water. Do that. Do that bottom, the build up. Lick that, mate. Lick that.
If you can lick the little ball of build-up, why is it grey?
Why is it fucking grey?
Fucking move.
Go on, Andrew. You're gonna do another. You're gonna do a third inhale.
Give a fuck. Move.
No third inhale.
No.
I can't breathe.
I'm just gonna. Am I right to rest my hand there? Alright, good. Thank you.
I don't like the leak. Oh, build up on move. Oh my god.
Thanks, Andrew. Got my hand in his hair. I'm gonna hold on to his hair. I'm so sorry, MJ. MJ, do you want to know what happened? I let go of your hair, I turned around, started falling, I had to grab onto his.
Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. Oh. I'm gonna throw that stick back at you, butcher.
Go on. Oh, fucking hell, MJ. That wasn't so bad. Look at the old wheels. Ain't that cool? There's one. Bro, if he dropped my fucking light, I'd be fucking pissed.
I've got a tight grasp on it, right?
Two wheels. Right, MJ, on my last 10%, how was your experience with that? Kill me.
There's my experience.
Yeah. Sam, how do you feel about it?
You know, I'm pretty pumped. I'll do it again. 10-10.
Really?
Would recommend.
Yeah, go on, let's go.
MJ, back we go.
Fucking move!
MJ, we're going back. We have to sniff again.
I've got 9%, we've got to go fast.
MJ, come on. Oh, no,
Come on, Sam.
Not that, MJ.
Oh, MJ, you're letting us down. Oh. Tell you what, should we do it again?
We will come back.
Yeah, we'll come back and
We'll
do this.
bring Tommy, we'll bring MJ, we'll bring everybody.
Oh, fucking hell, I'll bring Luke and Liam.
Okay, let's go.
Even George. That's right, you fuckers.
Check.
Oh, fuck. Look at
I've got the
that.
light, I've got the light.
Oh,
Check.
oh, that has scratched your ankle.
Here, let me help you. Ah, shit, I fucking got it.
Move your leg back. There you go. Oh, that's a
Oh,
dusty ankle. That's a dusty ankle, bro.
nice.
Ow.
See? Oh, just
Fucking light.
I have no idea what you want. You're doing fine, let's go.
Tell you what, though, you didn't have to bend the wire. Fuck, if he falls on us, we're dead.
I know. You know how bad it is.
Go on, Sam. I'm standing on it for you.
Thank you.
Use my head as you would.
Thank you.
Long walk to freedom, lads. Long walk to freedom. So, do you all enjoy the smell? I know you did, MJ. Come on. I can't even hear you anymore, mate, but
How long is a piece of string?
about 3 inches, I reckon.
And I enjoyed it about 3 inches.
That's a little good amount. Shit! Fucking light! Shit! Who the fuck is on the tracks? Come on, Sam! Shit! Are they working? No, it's a train. It's a fucking train. We've lost Sam. Over on the left. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, I'm not dead again. Oh. Oh, my heart. Oh. Woohoo! Wasn't that fun?
It was fucking good. Right again, you just see my fucking
I did tell you not to go in the swamp. Oh, oh, how wicked was that?
I know. Literally, my shoe got stuck. It came off my fucking foot. I had to try and grab it.
I
and put it
told
back
you
on.
not to go down there.
Oh my god.
Funny, right? You know what I found funny?
What?
Where Sam just turns around and goes, "Is that a fucking train?"
And I was like, no, there was someone on the tracks.
Did you record anything of that?
I recorded
did.
the whole thing.
I did.
Let me see.
I only got a voice record.
Do you want
so fucking
all
dark.
I got was me saying, oh my fucking god, because what I did was I knew this was my exit. I ran in front of the fucking train. I ran into its fucking path and got over here and I laid
saw
down
literally
flat.
like this, Jack, with the light. You just went and shined at the fucking train. I was like,
Yeah.
"Ah."
Oh, Sam, that is the second time I've nearly been hit by a freight
Yeah.
train on this fucking line.
Oh my god.
Third time in my life.
Oh. By the way, it's 1:30, so we need to run home.
You do, Mr. fucking carved ankle.
You know, earlier when you were chucking stones for about 20 minutes?
Could
Yeah.
have gone. So maybe freight trains run late.
So just so you know, MJ, this is the field we're going to be doing gas mask review in as soon as my CM4 arrives, which should be on Valentine's Day. Also, this is going on Reddit. Also, another final thing.
Also.
Who wants to know what's in that bag?
That's something. Shout out my shoe again. I just want to see how fucked it is.
Oh,
Literally, it came there,
wow.
it sucked off my foot. And I was like, for fuck's sake.
Hey, look, someone had a fucking bonfire. Right, what's in it? DiGiorno. That's an American joke. If you're moving it that light, it's nothing of interest.
Camp.
What?
It's one of the camp.
I can't see that, mate. I don't know how
All
far
the
down you
fucking
think.
Sour Patch Kids and shit like that.
How much
Maybe a bit.
shit do they get
For a
through?
real bin.
It's a bin.
To be fair, we should leave that there, and then next time we come down here, bada bing,
I was
bada boom.
fine my way, to be honest. I mean, I did slip off the log. I slipped off the log, foot straight. I was like,
You know what I find funny? I wonder what your toes are going to be like after this.
Oh yeah, how are your toes recently? I've been gone for like a fucking week. Are they
Tim
still
stepped on
good?
them this morning.
yeah.
So they're doing better
That
then.
foot as well, so. What is that fucking foot?
It's always his fucking planting.
So who wants to watch this footage back then?
when we get home, yes.
Or
On the
literally-
way.
It was pitch dark what I got, so I just started me talking like, that's a fucking freak train.
Mate, this whole time, yeah, imagine when we were pushing that thing. Do you know what I don't like? How slow it is, and then when it gets close, you fucking notice it is close.
That's what I mean. Imagine if we were further back down there.
Oh shit, we'd know where to go.
That's what I mean.
Back where all the fencing was. MJ, you fucking bailed halfway through. I told him to run to the side like I was, and he split off somewhere past my view and fucked off.
See, I thought you two
I
were
ducked
gonna
down
say...
below by the fucking stuff.
I'm guessing you decided that following Jack's idea of standing on the railway it's coming was a bad idea.
Yes.
See, you guys slow, I went down.
I saw you just bail. You just decided, right, fuck this.
Because I thought you meant you were going to run to the crossing and get off. I was like,
Can we go?
no, we're not going to make that.
We would never have made
That's what I mean,
that.
so I just thought,
go?
fuck you guys. Stay down here.
Can we go?
Can we go?
Can we go?
I need to go home.
You were dashing stones for 20 minutes trying to make a spark.
Forgive us
I
for
made
staying
more.
here for 10.
Like, oh, pretty colours.
Oh, piece of candy. It's raining again.